In other news this evening, despite the inroads many small island developing states have made in preventing widespread transmission, the World Health Organization's warning that we are in a very dangerous period in the COVID-19 pandemic. And this as the Delta variant quickly becomes the dominant strain as it continues to evolve and mutate, now detected in some 98 countries and spreading. This may be due to the fact that the virus reportedly carries a cluster of mutations that helps it infect human cells more easily. Equally worrisome is the emergence of the seventh variant of interest, the Lambda, that's sweeping Latin America, namely Peru, Chile, Argentina, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, and Mexico. Outside of that, the United Kingdom. Said to be more transmissible, Lambda's unusual mutations is reportedly stumping scientists. What is, however, assuring is that at this point, no evidence points to it being a more severe form of COVID. Still, health officials continue to push the message of vaccinations, hoping to expand the local arsenal. The Bahamas is awaiting its share from the United States, and that's a tranche of doses of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine, the arrival of which is said to be imminent. Now, as indicated, the number of COVID-19 variants out there is climbing, with experts at the Centers for Disease Control predicting that new ones are expected to occur, at times emerging and disappearing, other times persisting. Here at home, health officials haven't confirmed any variants in country, at least not yet. With a closer look at the issue is our Altavis Munnings.
Global studies have shown that the Delta Plus variant is another COVID-19 dilemma for health experts who continue to monitor the Alpha, Beta, Gamma, and original Delta COVID-19 variants striking countries around the world. The World Health Organization reasons that the Delta variant, initially detected in India, is both more transmissible than previous variants and has been able to resist the antibodies in human blood. World Health Organization officials confirm, though, its emergency use listed COVID-19 vaccines do protect against developing severe disease, hospitalization, and death due to the Delta variant. As of July 2nd, the World Health Organization has detected the Delta variant in 98 countries around the world. According to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control, the variant accounts for 25% of new COVID-19 cases in the United States and is present in all 50 states.
We do suspect, as I said, from March of this year, that we believe we do have one of the 5 variants of concern in the country. Our initial testing showed that we had a variant, but we sent off samples, which we're still awaiting the results. At AstraZeneca, Pfizer, Moderna, the vaccines that are being deployed have been effective against all 5 variants of concern, and so we're just moving forward with our vaccination program in country.
While Health Minister the Honorable Renwood Bells maintains it's not if, but when the Delta variant lands in the Bahamas, we asked whether or not this more contagious virus would impact the end of the country's state of emergency that's being proposed for August.
Well, we are assessing the circumstance. We really move with the advice of the healthcare team in the country. We have said that from the outset, and so we're going to be continuously assessing our circumstances as a nation. But the beautiful news is that a lot of Bahamians are moving forward and taking that first dose. So we're hoping that once the emergency orders have expired, that they will expire.
One thing's for sure, though, government stands on its message that vaccination is the best way to deter any variant from impacting the country.
It has led to the collapse of hospital systems in a number of countries. We all saw on television what it did to our fellow Commonwealth country of India, who was so gracious to give us our first vaccines. I want each of you to be safe from this deadly virus. I strongly recommend that you get vaccinated so that you are protected.
Altavis Munnings, ZNS Network News.